Let's talk about something many people deal with, but don't always talk about. Snoring. Maybe someone has told you you snore when you sleep, or maybe you have even woken yourself up before and you are wondering, why does this happen? And more importantly, how can I stop it? Let's talk about it. First, let's understand what snoring is. Snoring happens when air is trying to pass through your throat while you are sleeping, but something is slightly blocking the space. So as the air moves, it causes a vibration. That vibration is what creates the sound we call snoring. So it's not random. It's just your body reacting to how you are breathing while you sleep. Now, let's talk about why it happens. There are few common reasons. Number one, sleeping position. If you sleep on your back, your tongue and throat can relax in a way that blocks airflow. That makes snoring more likely. Number two, tiredness. When you are very tired, your muscles relax more than usual. That can make snoring louder. Number three, blocked nose. If your nose is blocked because of a cold or allergies, your body tries to breathe through your mouth and that can lead to snoring. Number four, body weight. Extra weight around the neck area can make the airway smaller during sleep. Number five, sleep habits. Late nights, poor sleep routine, or not getting enough rest can also play a role. So, you see, snoring usually has simple physical reasons. Now, let's be honest. Sometimes snoring is light and harmless, but if it is very loud, happens every night, or comes with feeling tired even after sleep, then it might be something you should pay more attention to. In that case, it's always wise to speak with a health professional. There is no need to panic, just be aware. Now, let's talk about what you can actually do. Simple steps can make a big difference. First, try sleeping on your side. This helps keep your airway open. Secondly, take care of your nose. If your nose is blocked, try to clear it before sleeping. Breathing freely helps reduce snoring. Third, improve your sleep routine. Try to sleep at the same time each night. Your body works better with consistency. Fourth, watch your weight if needed. Even small changes can improve breathing during sleep. Fifth, number five, keep your head slightly raised. Using a good pillow can help airflow better. Small changes, but they can really help. Also, let's not forget about the basics. Stay hydrated. Avoid going to bed too tired. Give your body enough rest. Your body responds well when you treat it well. And if you snore, don't feel embarrassed. A lot of people snore. It's very common. The good thing is you can improve it with simple steps. So, now you understand it better. Snoring is not random, it's just your body reacting to how you breathe during sleep. With small changes, you can reduce it and sleep better. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, feel free to like, share, or drop a comment. I'll see you in the next video.